Na 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 na. ah. Hello and welcome back to Have You Seen This, where me and my brother Joel force each other to watch movies. And for this week, Joel, you gave me Out of the Furnace, which is a great movie. I could identify with so much in this movie. Not only because we, just like those brothers in this movie, also grew up in a steel factory industrialization. Um, Hello and welcome back to Have You Seen This, where me and my brother Joel force each other to watch movies once a week. And this week, Joel, you gave me Out of the Furnace, which is a great movie. I really enjoyed it. You can identify with so much in this movie. Everyone can, I think, with the reaction of the Christian Bale character, um, which is also great, leading right until the end, where um, without spoiling anything, where I think you get what you want to get, and that's a nice approach because usually movies try to be smart and surprise you with something, and the movie did exactly what it should have done, but in a still surprising way and very cool and very thrilling. Was really cool. Also, both of us, Joel and I too, we can identify with the life of these guys living in a place where the steel industry just is an important thing, and all those factory shots were pretty, similar to what we where we grew up, which was a nice picture, and overall the camera in this movie was pretty great, pretty um, yeah, didn't sneak up on you, didn't it was just a plain great shot movie. I like that a lot. And the character development is awesome. I mean, when you look at those guys um, develop over, I don't know for how long he was in prison. I didn't catch that, but you see how his brother um, develops and into the person that he becomes, and also um, maybe only because he has to. And it's a it's a nice approach on how providing for family is something that you just have to do, and is in their case especially a very important thing. Um, yeah, I liked that a lot. No stupid twists, only like emotional twists. Sometimes where you can just understand why things happen. I'm not very sure what I'm talking about, but it was a nice experience. Very clean and great movie, and performances that are. I mean, Woody Harrelson's performance was, I think, I think the best, the scariest. I believed him the most, I guess. And nice cuts. The cuts in the movie, bam, bam, very cool. Let's go to your next movie. I'm trying hard uh, to give you great movies that I honestly think are great, and I seem to be the one who's most punished, but that's okay. Um, I'm just gonna keep trying and give you movies that are maybe not, um, you know, not too obviously great, but a little risky. So your next movie is Network, which is uh, a great movie that is critical of our society and of businesses and of how the media works, and without being too much conspiracy theorists thing. So I really enjoyed the movie when I watched it. I'm gonna show you that one clip that is pretty famous, and you've seen, if you browse the internet and YouTube and stuff, you've seen a few clips of this movie. So I hope you'll enjoy this, and yeah, enjoy the clip.
Now go to
Where
the
you
window.
going? I want to see if anybody's
Just go
yelling.
to the window, open it, and stick your head out and yell and keep yelling. Hey!
I'm mad as hell! I'm not gonna take it anymore! I'm mad as hell! I'm not gonna take it anymore!
I'm mad as hell! I'm not gonna take it anymore!
I'm mad as hell and I'm not gonna
I'm not gonna take it anymore!
I'm not gonna
I'm
take
mad
it!
as hell!
I'm mad as hell! I'm mad as hell! I'm not gonna take this anymore! I'm mad as hell!
See you next week. Bye bye.